Now, the Supreme Court is set to hear a plea by the Google, which had initially was ordered to pay 1,337 crore worth of penalty that was imposed on it by the Competition Commission of India for alleged anti-competitive practices in relation to Android mobile devices. Google has said that the penalty was levied without any evidence and through a tainted investigation. The top court would hear Google's petition against the National Company Law Appellate Tribunal ruling on Friday, which had refused to stay a 1,337 crore penalty imposed on it by the Competition Commission of India for exploiting its dominant position in the market for Android, which powers the 97% of smartphones in India. My colleague Raksha is joining me live right now to get us more details. Raksha, what does this exactly entail for Google hereafter? Because the Supreme Court has agreed to listen to that plea that Google had filed seeking a stay of the 1,337 crore worth of penalty that it was ordered to pay by 19th January.
Yes, Samya, thank you for that. Yes, that's right. As per the Supreme Court, they have alleged anti-competitive practices in relation to Android mobile devices. There is a possibility that there is some GMS tracking that Android phones are doing, which have been because of the cell phones apps, the pre-installed apps that all Android phones come with, and that is the reason why the court had alleged anti-competitive practices and asked and fined Google for over 1,000 crores. Now, for this penalty, which was imposed by the Competition Commission of India, the company Google has, of course, fought back on that, and as per what we know, then they challenged the NCLAT order refusing to pay the fine, but this is the fine that was imposed considering Google was allegedly exploiting its dominant position. However, the Google's counsel, senior advocate A.M. Singhvi, has said that the penalty was levied without any evidence. There is no evidence that both Competition Commission of India or the other petitioners have. And he also said that the NCLAT posted the hearing of the Google's appeal in April, which would make Google's plea against CCI penalty infructuous. Now, Singhvi also said that these are extraordinary directions that have been passed by CCI. The compliance date was Jan 19th, and they filed in December. And there has been an urgency since January 19th in the compliance date. There is no finding yet of any abuse of dominance, and that is why the CJI Chandrachud has also recently said that he will list it, but only by Friday. So now we have to wait till Friday to see what else we hear about it. But as of now, senior counsel A.M. Singhvi has, of course, said that there is no proof and there is no evidence regarding Google exploiting its dominant position as alleged by the Competition Commission of India.
Well, I appreciate you joining us, Raksha, with all those details. And now we shall wait until Friday when the matter is taken up in the Supreme Court.